Well, howdy guys and gals, it's coming down towards the end of another fine day, and we have all of our siding done on the front now, and you'll notice that we have trim around our door, and we have trim around both of our windows, and I'm going to take you around the other side because we have finished out the trim over here around the windows. We still have some corner boards to do and small things like that, but we have these windows all trimmed out over here as well. And I don't think that you saw this before. There's our capstone up there on the top, and it says T on it, and it's blue, so that means it's for true, because Kevin is true blue. If it was orange, you would know that it stood for Tennessee, but it still could stand for Tennessee. And you'll notice that we have outlet boxes out here, one for a light up there, one for a receptacle down here. And I don't know if you noticed when we came around the front or not, that we have our outside receptacle boxes put up. There's 3 along the front there for receptacles. There's one up in the corner. We're short one box. That's going to be for a motion sensor light detector light. And we have another receptacle here. And then up there is going to be for an outside light. And I'm going to take you inside. I don't want you to get crazy now because we haven't cleaned up today. And things are still kind of in a mess, and we still got lots to do, but we've got most all of our wiring done in here. We have a little bit more to go. And yeah, mainly the wiring we have to do for our overhead lights in here. We're putting up LED lights. That'll be right up along the ceiling. There's going to be benches along this front wall. Down there to the left of that window is going to be his miter saw stand. And then down here, then he's going to have, I think he's going to have his bandsaw in the middle. And then down here is just going to be workbenches. So we're going to have a row of lights, 8 feet of lights in each bay, about a foot out from the wall. And then we're going to come out here and approximate a line up with the window, have 4 more lights. These are 4-foot long lights, and then another row back there with that window. And there'll be enough room so that if we decide to add more lights, we certainly can. That's where we're at. Next step is to finish blocking on the inside of our wall so we can finish our nailing of our siding, then insulate, and then we got piles of plywood over there. Sorry for the reflection from the sun. Some of that plywood is to go on the walls, some of it is to build benches, and then above the 4-foot line, at least on this wall over here, is going to be pegboard. For most of it.
Aren't they going to be doors?
No. Oh yes, you're right, Andrew. Yeah. 2 of those sheets of plywood are for the big swinging doors. One of my subscribers was asking me about that, what we were doing for doors back here, and we're going to have a pair of swinging barn doors that will go in this opening here. And yep, they'll have plywood on them to strengthen them, but they're still going to have the siding on them. They're going to be pretty hefty. So Andrew, don't walk away.
Okay.
Because 2 days from now is New Year's Day.
New Year's Day, 2022.
Yep, and we want to wish you all a Happy New Year. Thanks for following along with us for this last year and going through COVID and all that kind of good garbage. So thank you for commenting,
subscribing,
and
sharing, and liking,
thumbs up, all of them good things. So From me, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and
The big dog. Woof, woof.
from Kevin the Big Dog,
Andrew the Tablet Man.
the Tablet Man, the Phone Man, the Door Man,
And my lovely wife.
and he's also the Food Giant Man. What's the other one? We just came up with another one. And this is my daughter, Wendy, known to me for most of her life as Weeby. Thank you all for stopping by and visiting with us. Bye for now.